circle to search, AI select, and even the read aloud them so that you guys also have the circle to search. So I think that if long press the home button. So an example can be a day without music. So let's play a song. So all you do is press the music icon. And there you go. So now it's delivered by Doji. So we hum a song even. So you can find that last song. Circle to search the text music by even on my head daily. It's sorry, intelligence will have tried it. So there you go. Even if I go to the text, I was very sorry by just AI select. So AI select is a new feature for A56 and A36 by swiping towards your left, select on the upper right. So one of the features is create a GIF. So a GIF that's up to 15 seconds. I'm going to show how to make.
Read aloud.
And then you just wait for a few seconds. So, andun yung speaker na, ay, ito. Speaker ito. With photo. Tapos sa frame yung buo. Ano mo na sa area. Tapos, the home button again.
Time.
So let's do a different one.
So i-picture mo yung ano
Ano lang. Focus
Just
mo
the
lang.
home button long press.